Yo, Bell, can you make sure that she's open? Girl, and they got champagne. Cheer me, that's what I'm supposed to say. Ain't nothing changed but the weather. In the campaign, see with the numbers and letters on my computer. You can ride with a man with the leather. Cause bitches get these crazy, but different things in the faces. You know we have a places. Feelings and I have to be ready. Active, I don't keep with no rapper. They be hustling backwards. Like the jeans, I'm food you make daddy all day and again. Picture with no back in these ass getting shown out in the first place. With no especially it is all two heads around this progressive this town. Staring down at the ocean and fire. Scribble and fire. On the street cars ain't the lie. You tell the bitch you only get caught in the fire. Why? I'm in the prison for that shit. I get paid when I did it. Gotta go find that bitch who's born. I can't have that rapper we cheat for that bitch. Don't you talk about it. You can't deny it. I never ride a boy with my ambition. Who did it? Don't make me think it. That's it. You can't play. It'll be nothing. If you change, I've been another one back. All the roller coaster. Yeah, and I'm looking. And you could tell by the reaction from them. From distance trying to figure if it is or if it the real self. The hater self. But I'm still looking. And you could tell by the reaction from them. From distance trying to figure if it is or if it the real self. The hater self. But I'm high again, waiting on the sun. Dozed off in my 57 at the drive-in. This is a scary movie I'm in, but I do it for my folks who genuinely want me to win. I do a lot of smoking to stay over this bogus shit. My money and not on these bitches, my focus is locked. Niggas claim it to be jet planes, but they not paying homage to founder in the house, kid. A mill connect your mama, she could vouch, bitch. If she cool the fucking down with rolling that bunny up, that race day, money on the starting gate, pony up, I hope you hungry. I gotta play the dust for you, homie. Early morning exercise, I'm doing push-ups. I ain't stingy with it, got a couple pounds put up. Bitches used to overlook us. Now in my presence, they shook up. See what this rap shit that took us? Yeah. Yo, sit down. Jane, you there. No, I'm gonna go. Sit over here. Sit over here. I'm gonna go over here and kick it. I'm smooth as fuck on that one leg, though. You're gonna have to give me that.
That's good.
What's this?